In this problem, there's a cube located in the XYZ coordinate system, and we want to know what the flux is through each surface of the cube, the electric flux. And the electric field's not constant. It's given by this equation. The electric field is equal to minus 5x I hat plus 3z k hat. So first thing I'm going to do is figure out what the electric field is on each surface, because in order to find the flux, you have to integrate E dot dA. Okay, so the flux on each surface. So on the electric field is minus 5x I hat plus 3z k hat on surface 1. In other words, it depends on both x and z. Both of those are changing. The electric field on surface 2 is minus 5x I hat plus 3L k hat, because z is a constant over surface 2 and z is equal to L everywhere. So it varies in x but not in z. The electric field on surface 3 is minus 5x I hat plus 3z k hat. It varies with both x and z. It's not constant in either variable. On surface 4, the electric field is minus 5x I hat. It has no z component and no y component, only an x component. On surface 5, it's constant in x and varies in z. And on surface 6, it's has no x component or y component, only a z component. Okay, so now we're going to look at the equation for flux. And do calculate the flux. So for surface number 1, the flux is going to be equal to 0. The electric field has no y component, and only x and z are parallel to the surface. They would have to have a y component to have flux. All right, on surface 2, we do have an electric field that's perpendicular to the surface. So we've got the integral of 3L dA, which is 3L times the area. The area is L squared, so we have 3L cubed as the flux. Surface 3 is 0. Surface 4 is 0. Right? There's no z component to the electric field on that surface. Surface 5 has some flux. It's minus 5L times the integral of dA, which is minus 5L cubed. Only the x component contributes. And surface 6 has no flux. There's no x component. So those are the 6 faces. And what we want to do now is take a look at the total. Total flux. We add them all up, and we get the total flux is 3L cubed minus 5L cubed minus 2L cubed. And we know that the flux, the total flux, is Q in over epsilon naught. So we get our charge inside is minus 2 epsilon naught L cubed.